Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing farmhouse Christmas craft ideas. When it comes to home decor, probably farmhouse vintage styles are my favorite. It always brings warmth and coziness to your living space. And I really hope that you will enjoy today's video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. We are going to make Christmas tree from those wooden slices, and I kind of trying to find similar thickness. I'm just going to go ahead and place them down. I want to lay them out into the Christmas tree shape, and then I'm gluing them together, and I'm using Gorilla Glue. I will show you two options on how you can style your tree. So next I printed out Christmas pictures from internet and glued them on top of the wooden slice with PVA glue. I've decided to embellish the top of the tree with pine pigs, with berries, pine cones, ribbon, and little things like that to make it look beautiful. For the second option, I will use the same embellishment. So what I've done, I just drilled a hole here for the better support and glue them together. And voila, your tree is done. I'm going to add embellishments to the top, gluing down our fabric bow and our twine, so everything just stay in place exactly how I wanted it to be. Honestly guys, I prefer the second option. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comment below. So let's move on to our next project, and we are going to make a gingerbread man. I just printed out a template from the internet. Then I'm going to place it on the plywood and trace it around, and then I'm going to cut this out of camera with the jigsaw. So next I'm going to start painting with a dark brown acrylic paint. I'm going to place it on the thick felt and trace it around, and then cut it out about a centimeter short all the way around. And I will do the same with the fabric. This is optional, you can leave as it is, or you can stitch all the way around just to give it that little bit of countryside charm. So I'm going to go ahead and glue all the pieces together. For embellishments, we are going to use some greenery, some fabric ribbon, a little tag, pine cones, berries, and etc. hope you like all of the projects that I came up with today. Leave me in the comment which project was your favorite. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to get my channel growth. So guys, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.